Go.
Hey! We're the first grade team.
I'm Ashley Davis.
I'm Christina Cervini.
I'm Nancy Bryant.
I'm Beth Karenzik.
Arrival time will begin at 7:30 a.m. and dismissal will begin at 3 o'clock. And you can find our first grade supply list on the Long Creek website.
We no longer have uniforms here at school. Refer to the school website for appropriate school attire. And masks. Masks must be worn at all times while in the school building.
Please make sure that you let your child's teacher know how your child will be getting home each day, whether they're a car rider or a bus rider. Also, there will be a form for technology usage in Long Creek. Please make sure that is filled out and turned in to your child's teacher.
And lastly, we will have first aid packets that will include forms that you will need to fill out and send back the next day. We look forward to seeing you.